Want to ditch the crypto complexity and dive into digital assets with the ease of Apple Pay? This video breaks down exactly how to buy crypto using Apple Pay on Phantom or a compatible platform, making the process smoother than ever. First, ensure you have the Phantom wallet downloaded and set up on your iOS device. If you don't have it, head to the App Store to get started. It's that blue icon. Once you're inside the Phantom wallet, look for the deposit button. It's typically located on the main screen or at the bottom. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see a few options on how to deposit. Select Buy with Card. This is the gateway to using Apple Pay. Now, you will be prompted to choose a payment method and the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Since you want to use Apple Pay, select the card associated with it. Confirm the transaction details, including the crypto amount and any associated fees. After confirming, use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authorize the transaction via Apple Pay. Once authorized, the crypto will be deposited directly into your Phantom wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased crypto with Apple Pay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.